Hello and welcome to your daily news and information update. Today's topic, the declining aerospace industry. The collapse of America's auto industry is unmistakable. General Motors and Chrysler are in bankruptcy, which Ford has thus far been able to avoid. And each of the big three has been forced to make massive cutbacks to their payroll. Workers have been terminated, factories have been shut down, and supply chains have been immobilized by slipping demand in the U.S. market. But the auto industry is not the only manufacturing sector taking a turn for the worse. American aircraft makers and industry leaders are also taking huge hits and watching profits dwindle. In fact, according to the International Trade Commission, the U.S. aerospace industry ran its first annual trade deficit in history. In the fourth fiscal quarter of last year, the American aircraft industry ran a robust $11.4 billion surplus. This year, it ran a $5.15 billion deficit. The aerospace and auto manufacturing industries have long been considered the backbone of America's blue-collar workforce. They employ hundreds of thousands of Americans, both directly and indirectly. But over time, their market share has dwindled due to unfettered competition from overseas. When the financial markets collapsed last spring, the orders which had been slowing were grinding to a halt. If the aerospace industry does indeed follow in the footsteps of Detroit, America's remaining manufacturing base may find itself on its last legs. The government has done all it could to save the banks, but it has done very little to save manufacturing. Obviously, the government cannot simply purchase cars and airplanes, but it could offer incentives to American individuals and companies who purchase these products. Furthermore, it could do something to alter the United States' stance on free trade and make markets more reasonable for U.S. corporations. There are many options available, but time is running out. If these companies do not rebound soon, they may not ever be able to do so again. Such a situation would devastate America's already gutted industrial base, push even more skilled workers to the dregs of unemployment, and drive our economy past any point that it can recover from. The economy will not recover if unemployment explodes beyond its already high rate. It cannot recover unless the demand for domestic goods and services turns around. It cannot recover unless people keep their incomes. And we need to do something to ensure that these things happen. On behalf of concerned citizens, I'm Craig Harrington. For more on this and other related topics, please tune in daily to economyincrisis.org.
Wake up, America! Open up your eyes! Wake up, America! Wake up!